4 to exponent negative 1/2. Again, what I have to do first, look at the denominator. Okay, the denominator is 2. Ask yourself question, what number raised to power 2 is going to give me 4? Okay, at this moment I'm going to ignore negative sign. The answer is 2. 2 to the second power is equal 4. And I'm going to copy down my negative 1/2 exponent. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do, realize that we have fraction outside of the parentheses and we have whole number inside. Because I have fraction, I'm going to convert exponent inside of the parentheses to fraction also. Next, I'm going to use this property and I'm going to multiply these two fractions together. And I'm going to end up with 2. 2 times negative 1 is going to give me, everything is going to be negative 2 over 2. In other words, positive times negative gives me negative. 2 times 1 gives me 2. 1 times 2 gives me 2. And I'm going to have 2 to power negative 1. Now remember, we have to use the property for negative exponent, which says a to negative n is equal 1 over a to n. Okay, so this is going to be equal 1 over 2 to the first power, which is equal 1/2. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, you have to look at the denominator of your exponent is 4. Ask yourself question, what number raised to the 4th power is going to give me 81? The answer is 3. 3 to the 4th power is equal 81. I'm going to copy down this exponent. It's going to be negative 1/4. Because I have fraction outside of the parentheses, I'm going to make fraction also inside of the parentheses by writing 4 over 1. Next, again, I'm going to use this property and I'm going to write 3. Positive, remember, anytime there is no any sign, there is always positive sign. Positive times negative gives me negative. 4 times 1 gives me 4. And 1 times 4 gives me 4. Answer is 3 to power negative 1. Again, I'm going to use this property and I'm going to write my answer as 1 over 3 to the first, which is simply equal 1 over 3. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, you have to look first at the denominator. The denominator is 5. Ask yourself question, what number raised to the 5th power gives me 32? The answer is 2. 2 to the 5th power is 32. I'm going to copy down the fraction 1 over 5. Because I have fraction outside of the parentheses, I'm going to also make fraction inside of the parentheses. Remember, we have to multiply them together. Anytime we multiply fractions, multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by the denominator. That's why I'm going to have 2, 5 over 5, which is equal 2 to the 1st power, which is equal 2. This is the solution to my problem.